I'm at the Mitchell Point Overlook here on the Oregon side of the Columbia River, and this is a tunnel that goes right through the mountain. And out here is the Columbia River. It's always windy here. That's why it's so well known for windsurfing and that. But yeah, this is a long tunnel through the mountain. People riding their bikes through here and enjoying it. At least it's quiet in here, not as windy. Not for the natural lights created by punching holes on the side of the tunnel here. It'd be dark as the inside of a cow. But yeah, you can tell. Looks like a giant mole made this thing. Well, I don't know how far this tunnel goes, and I left the girls back in the RV in the parking lot for the Mitchell Overlook, so I think I've seen enough to get a feel of what this is like. I think I'll head back to the girls. We'll continue on our road trip. This kind of reminds me of the drive through the mountain going through Zion National Park. It's really similar to this, with the little side holes to let light into the tunnel. So maybe the same guys that did the tunnel through Zion National Park. Anyway, hope you can hear me through all this wind interference. Well, we made it to the Columbia Gorge Discovery Center, and this is where we're going to spend the evening. This whole area here is just burned to ashes. What's left reminds me of being at Craters of the Moon in Idaho. There's homes burned down to the foundations, cars burned down and melted. Whatever went through here was hellfire, and this place is closed because it suffered a lot of interior smoke damage during the fires. So they're still trying to clean out the smell and the soot and everything. So like I said, you can plan as well as you can, and you never know what's going to happen between the time you make your plans and you actually show up. So it's always an adventure. Life is never a certain thing. So I'm going to go down, and there's no shade here at all. So thank God I got AC. So I'm going to go down and let the dogs out and let them stretch their legs. Then just stay cool. This is what this entire area on the Oregon side here looks like. No smoking, huh? That goes without saying. Well, walk around and see what we can outside the museum. Seems even the prehistoric ginkgo trees got themselves fried really bad. Looks like this paved path goes to a few pioneer building replicas, if not possibly original. Things last a long time in the dry desert air. Let's see if there's anything in them. Well, that one's locked up. You gotta protect the public from their own stupidity nowadays. It's sad. Here's a pioneer garden. Looks like it's doing pretty good, even in this heat. Now let's go look at some other buildings over here. Here's another one locked up. They got posts here with numbers, so I guess if you had the guide and if the museum was open, you might be able to even look in there and see what they have. Oh, scared the crap out of me. Wind made that thing go up and down like a ghost was opening it. Lots of old wagons of different types, different purposes. Let's go over here and check this out. Gotta remember to listen and look for rattlesnakes. Something I'm not used to living on the wet side of the mountains in Washington. Let's see. I'll go around the entire building here and see what it is. Yeah. Nah, they don't even have the windows clear so you can peek in. Okay, well, let's walk over here. Then I'm going to go back to the girls. You can see this place was just like, yeah, whatever was here is crispy critters now. And this whole side of the area got burnt to a crisp. Well, I guess I'll go down to the dogs, get the AC going on high. This hillside in the area uphill, must have burned hot and fast with the winds, constant winds they have here in the gorge. It is nothing but blackened, charred vegetation. Boy, trying to stand upright is hard. This wind just wants to push you right over like a paper doll.